What's up, third graders? That's right, today we're going to be exploring even more fossils. The last time we were with Mr. Spolsky, we explored shark fossils, and then we did some coding with robots to learn about some other different types of fossils. So today, the first thing we're going to be doing is, after you listen to our Fossil Rock Anthem song, you're going to be working as a group. We're working groups on the floor, because the tables are already all set up with our station material. You're going to work with your team, spread out around the classroom. Each group is going to get these 9 pictures. I've already given you the first 3 answers of how fossils form. An animal is alive and swimming in the sea is number 1. Number 2, the animal dies and sinks to the bottom of the sea. Then the soft parts of the animal rots away. There are 6 more left for you to figure out as a team. You need to work together and communicate to figure out what the correct answers are. Once you think you have the correct answers, you're going to raise your hand, and then you will be checked on to see if you're the first place or second place team. The team that takes first and second place will then get to choose which fossil station they go to first. So the next 2 days, what we're doing, each time after the song's played, we're going to do this as review to remember how fossils are formed. On day 2, we're just going to do this when you walk in, and then you're going to go straight to your fossil stations. So we have 3 fossil stations set up. Alright, so what we will see at each table, each side, these are the same fossil stations. Station 1 is our shark fossils. Remember, Mr. Spolsky went to the beach in Florida. All I did was fill this up with beach sand, and we are lucky that there were some fossils in here. Remember, the fossils will be dark, shiny, and have those different minerals deposited in them. Remember, your mess should stay on your pan and the paper that will be put on top of the tables. Before we switch any stations, we need to clean up. If you're at either station 1 goes on to station 2. Station 2, these are really cool. These fossils actually are fossils that I found in the Georgia mountains. You look at me like you think it's a rock, but these actually aren't rocks. At one point, Georgia was covered by ocean. These are 250 million years old, or 225 million years old, and these are fossils of organisms, shelled organisms, that lived that long ago. That's before dinosaurs. Crazy, right? So you're going to get to explore these at both these stations. Remember, each one of these is different. So today you might just go on this side to these 1, 2, and 3. And the next day you might get to go over here, depending on how much time you have. At my next station, I've got some really big ones. We can see right here, these are some more fossils that I found in North Georgia. These ones are actually plant fossils. I can see all sorts of different leaves on these large ones. We need to make sure we're very careful of these, okay? These are fragile. These are 350 million years old. You thought those ocean fossils were old. Think about it, 350 million years old. It's amazing the evidence that we can find from the past. So you are going to explore at these stations plant fossils. When you are done with plant fossils, so station 1 goes to station 2. 2 goes to 3. 3 walks over to 1. If you're at that table, you walk to this one. If you're at this table, you go to this number 1. Pretty simple. So, what we're going to be doing the rest of the day, we're going to be going to fossil stations. Tomorrow when you come back, you will get another chance to go to these again. Okay? So, make sure you're working together, make sure you have fun, and make sure you take care of this stuff. It's old. It's really, really old. Alright? So, take good great care of it and make sure the room stays clean. Remember, when you clean up, there's brooms next to the doorway. You should be sweeping the floor if there's a mess and making sure everything is taken care of. Alright, thanks. Have fun.